Hello, boys and girls. Today we're going to look at a video about lesson 3. In lesson 3, we're going to interpret the meaning of factors. So the size of the group or how many are in the group, those are the factors in a multiplication sentence. So we have 2 factors in each multiplication sentence, the size of the group and the number of groups that we have. All right, we're going to start off by doing your sprints. So hopefully you have someone to time you and you can do your sprints. Okay, so if you haven't done those yet, you can pause the video and do your sprints, doing sprint A first for 1 minute, review your answers, record your score, and then sprint B for 1 minute, review your answers, record your score, and your goal is to improve. Even improving by 1 is great. So if you can improve by 2 or 3, you are doing awesome. All right, so let's do some group counting. We're going to start by counting by 2s. And remember to watch my hand. I haven't tried to trick you yet and go backwards, but maybe today's the day. So let's see. All right, so count with me. Ready? By 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 8, did I catch it? 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 18, 16, 18, 16, 18, 16, 14, 12, 10, 8, 6, 4, 6, 4, 2. Hey, awesome job. Gotta watch that thumb to see if we're stopping or going back. So you did a good job. Let's try by 3s. Okay, so now we're going to count by 3s. Ready? 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30, 27, 24, 21, 18, 21, 18, 15, 12, 9, 6, 9, 6, 3. All right, awesome job. So we're going to be doing some multiplying with 2s and 3s today. So that was a good practice for us before we get started. Okay, I'm going to draw a picture. So I'm going to draw 3 groups. So here's 1 group, 2 groups, 3 groups. And I'm going to draw 5 triangles in each group. Almost there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, 3 groups of 5. So the first thing we need to look at if we're going to use multiplication is what? Do we have equal groups? So I have 5 here, 5 here, 5 here. So yes, I have equal groups, so I can use multiplication or I can use addition. So if I was going to use addition, I have 5 and 5 and 5. What would my addition sentence look like? Would have something plus something plus something equals something. So I have 5 plus 5 plus 5. I can count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, to see that my total is 15. But what if I want to use multiplication? I need my two factors. My factors are the two numbers I'm multiplying together. So some factor times another factor is going to give us our answer, which is 15. So how many groups do I have? 1, 2, 3. 3 groups is one factor. How many are in each group? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is my second factor. And my answer is still 15. So this is just reminding us that multiplication is just a quick way of doing repeated addition. As long as our groups are equal, if one of my groups had 4, then I wouldn't be able to use multiplication. I would just have to add 5 plus 5 plus 4 because my groups have to be equal. All right. We are going to use the people in our class to do a multiplication problem. So in our class, we have 18 students. And I am going to divide the students into 3 groups. So this is going to be one group. This is going to be another group. This is going to be another group. So I'm just going to start putting you into groups. So here I'm going to put Alex. I'm going to put Audrey. I'm going to put Travis. I'm going to put Oliver. I'm going to put Leo. I'm going to put Jordan. I'm going to put James. I'm going to put Tony. I'm going to put Savannah. I'm going to put Elizabeth. I'm going to put Sophia. Put Raiden. I'm going to put Alexia. I'm going to put Dahlia. I'm going to put Honor. I'm going to put Liliana. Leon. And who have I got left? Let's see. Parker. And Parker. So I have divided my 18 students into 3 groups. Are my groups equal? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I have equal groups. So what's my multiplication sentence to show how many students we have in our class? We have 1, 2, 3 groups, so that's our first factor. How many are in each group? That's going to be our second factor. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Gives us a total of 18 students. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 students in our class. All right. So hopefully that is kind of fun. We could also make a number bond to show our students. So if I have my number bond up here, remember number bonds are circles, and then there's legs with circles. So I have 18 students. And I have 1, 2, 3 groups, so I'm going to need 3 legs. And how many students are in each group? If I add my legs together, 6 plus 6 plus 6, then I end up with my 18. So that's how we could use a number bond. All right, so let's move on to the problem set. Let me bring that up on my screen and share it with you. Sorry, my dog is in the way. Okay, so let me present my screen. Maybe. All right, since I'm having an issue sharing my screen, let me just get the paper version out and show you. So lesson 3, problem set. Whoops, having a lot of trouble today. Lesson 3 problem set looks like this. Okay, your online version may look just a little different, but it's the same problems. So let's take a look at number 1. Our directions say to solve problems 1 through 4 using the pictures provided for each problem. So in number 1, there are 5 flowers in each bunch. How many flowers are in 4 bunches? So they've given us a picture. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, 4 bunches with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 flowers in each bunch. So we have equal groups. So we can multiply. So our number of groups is 1, 2, 3, 4. So in that line, we're going to write number of groups is 4. Size of each group. How many flowers are in each bunch? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So the size of each group is 5. So they have given us our multiplication sentence, which is 4 times 5, but they need to know the answer. So since I have 5 flowers in each bunch, I can count by 5s. 5, 10, 15, 20. 4 times 5 is 20. So there are how many flowers altogether? 20 flowers altogether. So number of groups was 4. Size of each group was 5. Those are our 2 factors that they used in 4 times 5 equals 20. And there are 20 flowers altogether. Okay, so you go ahead and complete the problem set on your own. If you think you need a little more practice after that, you can go ahead and do the exit ticket. Okay, so remember, we need equal groups for multiplying. We talked about arrays yesterday. You can always use an array to help you solve things or a picture. All right. If you have trouble, come and see me in my office hours between 1 and 2. Just pop on and I'll be here. ready to help you out with any questions you have. Have a great day.